Yesterday we talked about how in this week's reading lesson we were developing and demonstrating different reading skills in our text and in our read alouds. This week we are learning about foreshadowing, and yesterday we opened our minds up to what foreshadowing is and what it really means. Today we will be learning how to pick out context clues that can be used in foreshadowing with an activity. For this activity in the foreshadowing workshop, you will need a book that you have read before, sticky notes, a pen or a pencil, or a piece of paper. Your first step is to skim over the one or two books that you have chosen. The second step would be to place the sticky notes under the parts of the book that you think hints to the ending. And then finally, write how those lines in the book hint to what will happen at the end. One of my examples will be in Charlotte's Web. In this story, Templeton is gifted a goose egg that didn't hatch like the rest of them. Charlotte tells Templeton that a rotten egg is just like a regular stink bomb and to not break it in the barn. Templeton replies that he will not break it and that he knows what he's doing. I would place my sticky note under those two lines, and I would think to myself, using my context clues, I can tell that this is foreshadowing that Templeton will break the unhatched egg. Then I would write how, since the context clues hinted that Templeton would not break the egg, I can suggest at the end that he will break it. Using this worksheet, reread Little Red Riding Hood and determine what parts of the story hint or suggest what will happen next. You can even use the sticky note method to help you remember. Just this time, think in your head how these clues could suggest what would happen next instead of writing them down. Tomorrow we will review what we have learned about foreshadowing and submit a Google form to our Google Classroom on the foreshadowing in The Little Red Riding Hood. I can't wait to see all of your workshops and how many sticky notes and context clues that you can figure out.